Welcome to Jango's Garage. I thought I'd do a video on building a dream car of mine. It's a model of a Ferrari Testarossa. It's quite a good model. It's a 1/8 scale. It's made by a company called Pocher back in the 80s and early 90s. The kit's no longer available, but you can still pick it up on eBay unbuilt or sometimes fully built for a decent price. So I thought I'd build this kit up. It should be fairly simple. It's just clipped together and a few screwdriver little bits and bobs you have to do, and maybe a little bit of gluing, some sticky transfers you have to put on. But it should be a really cool car when it's done. So I've taken a photo of every stage of a build and we'll splice them all together, and hopefully it should make a really cool video. And then we'll see the finished article at the end. So please subscribe, click that bell, and we'll see you at the end of the video. Well, it's at the end of the build now. We've got the car all together. I've put some pictures up in the videos, what you've seen. It's a really good detailed kit. I really like it. It's even got working little door locks with a key, what we built up with a little key ring. That's really nice. It's got this working steering, it's got working suspension, obviously the pop-up headlights and bonnet, the engine bay. It's really nice. I'm really impressed. The wipers move, and I would recommend this kit definitely. It's been a really enjoyable kit for the last probably 6-7 hours of building the kit. It's, you know, taking up some spare time over Christmas, but you know, it's a dream come true to own this model. My mum and dad would never allowed me to buy this model as a child, but as an adult, yes, I can be a child and buy a model toy car and hopefully sit it on a shelf somewhere and enjoy looking at it. And one day, maybe buy a real one. So join us for other videos in the future. We'll be doing some real cars soon, and I thought this would be a nice little bonus one after Christmas and through the lockdown. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you very much.